chilly day, yay. We at the Stone Mountain. I walk up the trail, going up the stone.
Yay! We're here at Stone Mountain. About to hike up 686 feet.
And some change.
And some change. Early morning fun.
At first sight, you think it's nothing. We got this.
Not that bad. It's been too long.
6 steps in. Struggle's kind of real. This is your reward. And we're not even that close yet. Girl day. Yay, yay, yay. Girl day.
Yeah.
My taser. Huh? I do have my taser.
Driving?
Hey. Let me take a picture of the two of you sitting on that log there.
Oh, look at that. I don't have my phone. Jeff,
Okay.
tell me we gotta have a photo op.
I'll call you right back, babe.
Right there. One of my pleasures of walking the mountain.
Yay!
Take the backpack off, cruise.
Oh, I gotta keep the backpack
we're
on.
keeping it on.
That's okay.
Because it's
I'll help
my
you.
cooler.
No.
Okay.
It's my cooler. And then I have my little picture here.
Looking
Okay.
good. All right.
Open this way though.
Alrighty.
That's good, yeah. Okay. All right. Great. Beautiful. Good. Hold that. One more smile right here, please.
Okay.
Okay. Just like that, everybody. Beautiful. That's a wrap.
You have a great day.
Oh, we will. Thank you so much.
Hey,
When you cross those railroad tracks,
Jeff,
start going left.
Jeff, I don't know about her yelling. What about this wooded trail we're gonna take after and guide us here? Tell them I have a taser. Patricia's just yelling to the world that we're taking some wooded path. We had a creepy man just tell us that he would help us take my backpack off. And you want to announce and take this creepy ass word? Who is this person? Who is this person?
Creepy.
Like my
The
best
guy was
friend.
creepy.
I'm the one being all
I
paranoid.
said, let's go get away.
But she's gonna yell out that we're taking some secret place through the woods, like it's a thing to do.
What the heck?
I gotta get my taser. Hold this.
You got. We're getting the taser. The guy was super creepy. He did say he would take your backpack off. I kind of didn't want him touching my phone.
Oh, I gotta turn this on. This is what you do. My old best friend named for P something.
Me.
He teach me to be overly paranoid, so we got this. A little phone casing, a little action, and a little.
Yeah, buddy. On the incline. Strapped up, ready.
Got our cooler. Got our, our nutrition drink. And I haven't slept.
I don't know how come I always butt dial you when I'm hiking, but we're fine.
What did we say?
Well, just that you were saying that, yeah, the guy said he'd take the backpack off of you.
Yeah, we're at Stone Mountain. This like creepy old guy was like,
No, but
okay, we're fine, Mom, we're fine. I don't know why I butt dialed you, I'm sorry.
she always butt dial at the wrong time.
Downtown, midtown, Buckhead.
What's that big? Look at the V, how much it shines right there, like a diamond.
Buckhead.
That's Buckhead. So downtown.
Go back up.
Okay, ready? Yeah, I ain't gonna make it the whole way. Oh, you gonna get that side? Yeah, I make it the whole way. You ready? I'm not gonna run. Oh, wait.
A few moments later.
You can take a picture or a video with you don't like it.
Really?
They were too small for his head. Oh,
Made it up the second time.
2 times. Really easy. I was like, that's not even fair.
Right.
Okay. This guy makes it look really easy too. I almost don't want to document it.
Probably leave it.
We're just taking a minute to catch the views. We're not tired.
Oh, wait, no.
Yeah, it'll be fine. Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yep, I got him. Have you ever seen a bear? Grizzly? Or whatever? Supposedly he's on his own.
A few moments later.
Found it! Look at the other yellow thing.
Found you, little buddy.
We weren't that crazy. I almost lost the camera.
Almost. So this is us. This is us.
Doing our thing like we always do on the Snow Mountain. Good to have my best friend back.
What?
Yay. Yay.
Yay.
Yay.